Hey guys, this is Pooja. Welcome to my channel back. Today we are going to see chocolate babka. It is also called as sweet bread. The texture of the babka is somewhere between cake and bread. It's a Eastern Europe dessert. Traditionally, it is filled with chocolate and cinnamon filling. I have taken 3/4 cup of warm water and adding 1 tablespoon of yeast in it. The water should be slightly warmed, it should not be hot, otherwise this yeast will get killed. Mix it well and keep it aside for at least 10-15 minutes. I have taken a bowl of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 egg and some butter. Add bloomed yeast mixture. Mix it well and knead properly. While kneading, if you require, then you can add some maida. Once it is done, you can add some butter in it and knead it again. If you want to make it eggless, then you can mix yeast in milk instead of water. Once the dough is ready, then simply cover it with the plastic wrap, or you can cover it with the foil paper as well. And keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours. I'm keeping it for 5 to 6 hours. We'll check the dough now. Wow, it is done. Now we are going to make chocolate filling. For the filling, we will take some dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, some butter and powdered sugar. Simply melt it down. Then roll your dough into 1/2 inch thick. Now spread half of your filling on the surface of the dough. It doesn't need to be perfect, just make it roughly even. Now the next part is very easy. Simply roll up from top to bottom. Now lengthwise cut it into the half. Do it very slowly, it should not stick to the knife. Now the next part is easier than it looks. You are going to take one end of the 2 rolls you have, pinch them together and then fold them over each other like this. We are going to do this until the end. And then pinch those ends again. Our first shape of babka is ready. Slightly squeeze it and keep it in our pan. For the second shape of bread, I am just rolling it like this. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes and then we'll keep these two pans at 180 for around 30 to 40 minutes. Tada! Our soft and light chocolate babka is ready. Once it is done, immediately brush them with the sugar syrup so that it will keep our bread fresh and sweet. If you want to make it without oven, then place the wire stand inside the pan and preheat the pan for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, place the bread mold inside the preheated pan. Cook it for 35 to 45 minutes on low flame. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.